Good afternoon to everyone. Our title is A Study of Reading Competency of Freshman Students of College of Education, Arts and Sciences in National University. Statement of the problem. How a student develop the reading competency. As a student, we must develop our reading competency to achieve reading comprehension. In reading comprehension tests, it develops our reading through a test that being given to us in our school that was conducted by our school to make sure that our reading comprehension in our school is continuing and developing through the years. And through this study, it has negative and positive effects. The positive is a student can develop his or her reading comprehension / competency within others, because through these skills, through reading, a person can develop his or her capabilities to strive for what he or she is believing. And the negative of it is, I think, there is some difficulties that some people take reading competency as a competition. In our daily lives, reading competency can help us more. Through reading competency, we can achieve reading comprehension towards it. And that's all of it. Thank you.